Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the channel that makes trading easier, smarter, and way more exciting. Whether you're brand new to trading or already making trades like a pro, today's video is just for you. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful pocket option binary strategy that is 100% based on price action. Yes, no indicators needed at all, just pure chart reading skills. But first, a quick and important note. Binary trading involves risk, and you could lose money, so always trade safely and only use money you can afford to lose. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Be sure to do your own research before trading. Now let's dive in and see how to set up your chart and exactly when to enter a trade using this simple strategy. Quick rule to remember: entry time, half of the candle time. For example, if you use a 30-second candle, your trade duration will be 15 seconds. Observation time, first part of the candle. For a 30 seconds candle, watch the first 5 seconds closely. Buy signal, price pushes up quickly in the first 5 seconds. Clear and strong movement, take immediately buy trade. Sell signal, price drops fast in the first 5 seconds. Clean and smooth downtrend, take immediately sell trade. Avoid trading if the candle moves up and down too much in beginning. There's no clear direction or momentum. Price is near strong support and resistance zones. Important tip: make sure you first practice this strategy using a demo account. Also, backtest it thoroughly on historical charts to better understand market conditions and boost your confidence before you risk real money. Check the description below this video for more detailed instructions and tips. Now let's jump into a live trade example so you can see this strategy in action. Keep watching. You don't want to miss this. Now look closely at the first 5 seconds of this candle. You'll notice something very important. The first 3 seconds showed upward movement, but then in the next 2 seconds, the price started to move down. This kind of behavior is not what we want in a good trade setup. The movement here is mixed and confusing. It shows indecision in the market. So remember this rule: we should always avoid trades where the candle is going both up and down in the first few seconds. To take a confident trade, the price must move in one clear direction, either fully up or fully down, with strong momentum. But in cases like this one, where the candle starts to go up, then suddenly turns down, it's better to skip the trade and wait for the next clean opportunity. Skipping bad trades is just as important as taking good ones. Now, let's look at another candle and see whether it gives us a proper entry signal. Just look at the first 5 seconds of this candle. There's no confusion here. The price moved clearly downward without any hesitation. This is exactly the kind of setup we are looking for. As soon as you spot this strong and smooth down movement in the first 5 seconds, don't wait. Go ahead and take a sell trade with confidence. And there we go. We've won this trade. A clean setup, a quick decision, and a successful result. The more you practice spotting these clean movements, the better your entries will become and the fewer mistakes you'll make. Now let's move on and keep scanning the chart. We're looking for the next perfect trade setup using the same rules. All right, traders, now we'll wait patiently for this candle to close. Why? Because we always want to observe the next candle's first 5 seconds before making any move. And here it comes. Look at that. The first 5 seconds of this new candle show a strong and steady downward movement, exactly what we need for a sell trade. This is the moment to act. Don't hesitate when you see such a clear signal. We immediately entered a sell trade, and another winning trade. This is why price action is so powerful. When the setup is clean, results follow. Now let's keep going and hunt for another high-quality setup. Remember, not every candle is tradable, so always follow the rules and stay patient. Now take a look at this candle. In the first 2 seconds, it moved up, but then in the next 3 seconds, it dropped down. As I told you earlier, this kind of mixed movement is a sign of market indecision, and we should avoid trading in such situations. But just for learning purposes, I still took the trade to show you why it's important to follow the rules strictly. And as expected, we lost this trade. This clearly shows that rushing into uncertain setups can lead to losses. So what's the lesson here? Be patient. Stick to the strategy. Only trade when the setup is clean and strong in one direction. Every win and even every loss has something to teach us. That's how we grow as traders. Thanks for watching till the end, traders. If you found this strategy helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another powerful trading video from Sam Trading Strategies. Also, check the video description for more tips and step-by-step guidance to master this price action strategy. And if you've tried this method on your demo or live account, let me know your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, trade smart, stay safe, and keep learning. See you in the next video.